This is the Search Hustle Podcast, where we pull back the curtain and share the methods, tools, and experiences that we handle every week as digital marketers working with SMBs, franchises, e-commerce, and startups to help them grow their business.
Welcome back to the Nozak Consulting Podcast. Today we're going to talk about the invisible storefront, dominating AI search for service area brands. In our last episode, we talked about the massive shift from keyword stuffing to semantic SEO, entity building. But what if you don't have a storefront? What if you're a service area brand, a plumber, an HVAC company, a roofer, or a mobile detailer? For years, SABs have played at a massive disadvantage in local search. You hide your address, you set a service radius in your Google business profile, and you pray you show up when someone across town searches for a fix. But in 2026, AI overviews and answer engines don't care about a red circle drawn on a map. They care about proof of entity existence and spatial relevance. Today, we're going to talk about how service area brands can build an unbreakable semantic moat, prove their local authority without a physical address, and turn dispatch data into the ultimate SEO weapon. Let's get into it. Let's start by killing off a dinosaur, the traditional areas we serve page. We know that one. It's a page with a block of text listing 50 zip codes and 20 surrounding suburbs, hoping to catch a stray keyword. AI search engines in 2026 see right through that. It's unstructured, unverified, and lacks content. To an AI, a service area brand is a floating entity. To anchor it, you need to build hyper-local entity proofing content. AI models want to know where you actually do the work, not just where you claim to go. So, how do you prove it? You use digital breadcrumbs. When your tech finishes a job in a specific neighborhood, that's a verifiable data point. The photo of the repaired AC unit contains EXIF data with GPS coordinates. The review the customer leaves mentions the neighborhood and the specific service and is usually on their IP. Instead of a static list of zip codes, emerging SABs are building dynamic neighborhood nodes. They are publishing localized content that says, here's a water heater replacement we just completed in the Tulsa, Oklahoma area, complete with structured schema markup. You are teaching the AI your service area through actions, not claims. If you're a multi-unit SAB or a fast-growing home service brand, you're likely using dispatch software like Service Titan, House Call Pro, or Jobber. Right now, that software, it's a goldmine of unstructured SEO data that you're completely ignoring. Every time a truck rolls, data is generated. The smartest brands are using APIs to pipe that data directly onto their websites in real time. Think about it, a heat map on your site that updates daily, showing verified check-ins and completed jobs across your city. This isn't just cool for the user to look at. It is the ultimate feed for AI answer engines. When you inject your localized job data with local business and service schema, you're feeding the machine exactly what it wants. Verified, structured, real-world proof of your entity's activity in a specific geographical node. When a user asks their AI assistant, who is the most active emergency plumber near Tulsa, Oklahoma, the AI looks at who actually has the data to back it up. We need to completely rethink how we ask for reviews. For a service area brand, a 5-star review that just says, great job, thanks, it's almost useless for semantic SEO. AI models process natural language to map relationships. They read reviews to validate what you do and where you do it. You need to prompt your customers to leave semantic reviews. You want them saying, the team came out to our home and Broken Arrow and completely repiped our master bathroom. That review connects your brand entity to a specific location entity, the neighborhood, and a specific service entity, repiping. When you aggregate hundreds of these across your service area, you establish a semantic footprint that a competitor simply cannot fake with a few optimized title tags. The AI search shift is the best thing to ever happen to service area brands. It levels the playing field against the guys with the big expensive showrooms on Main Street. If you can structure your data, leverage your daily dispatch activity, and build verifiable local nodes, you will become the definitive answer for your market. Stop telling search engines where you work and start showing them. If you need help auditing your digital footprint and structuring this data, reach out to us at Nozak Consulting. Thanks for listening. We'll see you on the next Blueprint.
Thanks for listening to the Search Hustle podcast. If you're interested in learning more about digital marketing and taking your knowledge to the next level, be sure to check out searchhustle.com, where we've got tons of free content, stuff that we use every week to market businesses, as well as our in-depth digital marketing course. Start your search hustle today at searchhustle.com.